What up, what up, what up? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Fabulous followers. I am here to drop another video on you for Vlogtober. Hope everybody is enjoying the Vlogtober content. Yeah, go on and comment and let me know what's been your favorite video thus far for Vlogtober. I hope to be able to get you guys a couple of more videos before I head off for my cruise and get those scheduled out, because the Wi-Fi package that I bought, they say is mostly for like communications, posting and stuff, not for streaming or like uploading and whatnot. So I won't be able to do any videos there. So you wouldn't get another video until I return. But hopefully I can get a couple scheduled so that I get you guys the content to keep up with Vlogtober. My actual birthday isn't until the 28th, but my cruise is from the 20th to the 23rd. God willing, I make it through the motion sickness I done overthought about. I plan on having a really good time. I've really put a lot of time, effort, and money, like I always do when I'm taking a trip or doing something, to really plan things out. One of the last minute tips that I found out was if you book the specialty dining the first night of the cruise, you get a complimentary bottle of wine. So, I went ahead and did that thing. And I'm going to be trying the lamb chops. It's been something I've been wanting for a while. And when I saw that there were going to be an option on the cruise, I was like, bet, there it is right there. So I heard that the main dining room isn't all to be reckoned with. I don't even know if I'll do the captain's dinner night. I thought about doing the at the chef table or whatever one, but nah, spend that money another time. But I'm definitely going to do a video to show you guys how, I was able to kind of save some money and do things on a budget to really be able to finally, after 48 years of living, do something I've wanted to do so bad. It's been number one on my bucket list, been on my vision board multiple years, and I was able to bring it into fruition at a time that I was really under a lot of financial, mental, and emotional stress. So God is real and he's amazing. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this burger prep. This is one of the 3 meals that was in the free box that I was sent from HelloFresh. Let's go.
Yo, my boy. I mean, the line, bro, you hit me back, man. What's going on with you, man? Shit, out the way. I feel you. Fuck with me, don't link, hit me on the book or something. You feel me? First thing first, we can't talk if you make statements. My new boo interview because she thinks she a replacement. My niggas ain't working, still you catch them at the day shift. They hit that boy at it and they sent them to the basement. Niggas posting guns, what you trolling police? I move like SB Dunks, I be low with the heat. Call me Mr. Freeze, they be froze when I speak. Running game on hoes, who controlling to me? Yeah, weak Tims, baby, you can't tie me down. Maybe so if you was it, but you looking like a clown. Probably see a nigga up, so you tryna hold me down. Graduated for the cap, all you need is a gown, huh? Hold up, let me take you niggas to school. That don't mean to put in work, cause he came with the tool. Just throwing books at niggas like they staying in school. Like the Dipset anthem, I'm just dropping a jewel, huh? Who gon' pick it up? Drop the low, who gon' pick it up? I drop the low, who gon' pick it up? I drop the low, who gon' pick it up? Bitch, I'm first, never last, yeah. Brody with me and he don't give no pass, yeah. Niggas joggers, why you sitting on your ass, yeah. Say I'm cocky, bitch, I get it from my dad, yeah, bitch, what it's sitting on? Saw you switch lanes, didn't turn your blinker on. Niggas sleep, so I call this G like melatonin. Bro, see I heard sliding, better have your steppers on. Can't respect no sneak diss. I can't chase these hoes, can't be on no creep shit. I was born with the sauce, you cannot teach this. We from Mexico, but it's still reeking. This a no cap zone. I ain't stopping grinding till I got a Patek on. Same niggas hating, I done ran laps on. Drop a young ass nigga if he act wrong. shootout, he ain't know it's worth. Off these drugs, feel.
Now, this is where I messed up at. I don't think I know I must have had the footage cut out. But anyway, on the chopper thing that you guys see me using, when I went to clean it, I sliced my finger. And that really kind of messed things up from here because I wasn't able to bind the ground beef into patties like I wanted to. So the patties turned out really sloppy, but it ended up tasting very amazing. That's what's important, right?
No talking, let the slaughter commence. For those who claim king, but low-key softer than Prince. If we was talking cars, maybe Joker at best. And if so, Heath Ledger, I still lay him the wrestler. Batman, Superman, I ain't really into that. Turn your heroes to heroes when my dinner at. What I'm writing lately got me feeling like the Men in Black. Neuralizer see me and forget them other niggas rap. Ray said, I don't feel him, I don't feel him. I heard boom, yeah, that mean kill him, that mean kill him. I'm allergic to fake, I can tell who been a drilling. And the shit I write sick, sky's the limit, penicillin. The ignorant won't get it, so just tell them never mind. I'm using live bait, I hope you catching every line. I use her for her funds until God better mine. Keep calm, I'm just playing, that's a Kevin Federer line. Word to Britney off the top, I'm crazy. And these niggas writing solid fives, maybe. Just trying to be mentioned with Nas, Pac, and Jay-Z for rap. Far stacks, I'll take Diddy or baby. But money come and go, homeboy, that ain't my focus. Just trying to get your flow that came from Mary and Joseph. All praise to who you see as most high. School, bus, train tracks, got your hands up high. Who want problems now? I don't see deodorant. Control verse, rappers X, they still can't get over it. Wanted to respond, but I'm too low to reach the highest. Looking back, I should've tried. You know David ain't Goliath. You miss every single shot that you don't take. But call me out, it'd be a blessing if your phone break. I'm making hits, give a fuck who at the mound. Niggas trending on Twitter, but they still can't get a pound.
I've never had Gouda cheese either, so this is gonna be. I guess in this regard, probably that's a freebie. I'm like, I know I cooked the burger long enough. That's the tomato juice again. I'm gonna give it a 9. I want to give it a 9.5, but I think I anticipated more flavor. I say that every time, don't I? That's my palate. It always needs to get excited. So I'm gonna throw some more of this on there because it's definitely got a little twang in that. And we're gonna make it do what it do. So I'm gonna say 9 out of 10. Again, this whole box was free. Their mistake. So 9 out of 10 for free. Ain't bad at all. So I'm getting ready to go sit down and watch King's Corner, King Day, and see what's going on with Minister Sean and Rashandra. Oh my goodness. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Tell a friend. Tell a friend and tell a friend. And then come back and clean this kitchen up for me. I got a lot of it done. Y'all know I clean as I go. But some of this stuff, I'll have to wait till I'm done eating. So yeah.
And you still gotta feel me. A house is a heart, I don't own no realty. Thought I paid my dues, but the game still billed me. They took my innocence, no surprise I pled guilty. Used to love to hit the court, now I hate to go. Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.